Let's stop pretending. If you have credit card debt, you aren't an investor. You aren't building a future. You are a modern-day indentured servant. Every morning you wake up and go to work. You aren't working for your family, your dreams, or your freedom. You are working for a bank executive's third vacation home. You are trading 40 hours of your life every week just to pay for things you've already used, eaten, or worn out. You think you're managing your debt? You're not. You're being farmed. The banks have designed a mathematical trap so perfect that if you keep making the minimum payments, you will be dead before you're debt-free. But today, the farming ends. I'm going to show you how to delete your debt in 90 days using a method the bank spent millions of dollars trying to hide. We aren't going to budget. We are going to go to war. If you have the spine to actually change your life, hit that subscribe button. If you want to keep being a victim, keep scrolling. This is for the masters. The biology of the minimum payment trap. Why is debt so hard to kill? It's because of a concept called amortization front-loading. When you look at your credit card statement, the bank shows you a small, friendly number, the minimum payment. Your brain sees $85 and thinks, I can handle that. But here is the mastery secret. Out of that $85, only $10 is actually paying off what you bought. The other $75 is pure interest. It's a stay poor tax. The bank's entire business model relies on you being reasonable. They want you to pay them slowly over 20 years. To delete debt in 90 days, we have to become unreasonable. Mastery Secret 1. Debt is a financial virus. You don't negotiate with a virus. You eradicate it. The velocity flow method. Most gurus tell you to use the debt snowball. They tell you to pay the smallest bill first to get a win. That's cute, but we don't have time for cute. We want velocity. The velocity flow method focuses on daily interest accrual. Most people wait until the end of the month to pay their bills. They let their money sit in a checking account for 30 days doing nothing. During those 30 days, the bank is charging you interest every single day. The 90-day deletion blueprint. Step 1, the liquidity sweep. Every single Friday, you calculate exactly how much money is surplus, even if it's only $12.75. Step 2, the 72-hour strike. You don't wait for the due date. You send that $12.75 to your highest interest credit card immediately. Why? Because when you pay $12.75 today instead of 3 weeks from now, you stop the bank from charging interest on that $12.75 for the next 21 days. You are essentially shrinking the virus in real time. Step 3, the survival floor. For the next 90 days, your lifestyle is deleted. You eat the same 5 cheat meals. You don't buy wants. You become a ghost to the consumer world. Mastery Secret 2. Intensity is the only way to beat mathematics. You can't stroll out of a burning building. You have to run. The ghost interest hack. Here's the part the banks hate. It's the balance transfer loophole. If you have a 24% interest rate, you are fighting a losing battle. But in 2026, there are still 0% APR introductory offers for balance transfers. Most people use these to hide from their debt. They move the money and then stop worrying. That is a fatal mistake. A master moves the debt to a 0% card and then maintains the same war mode intensity. Imagine you owe $5,000. At 24%, you're paying $100 a month just in interest. If you move it to 0% and keep paying $500 a month, every single cent goes to the principal. You aren't just paying it off, you're deleting it at 5x the speed. But remember, the second you miss a payment or buy something new on that card, the trap snaps shut. This method only works for those with mastery discipline. The 90-day identity shift. So why 90 days? Because 90 days is a psychological threshold. It's long enough to see massive results, but short enough that you can see the light at the end of the tunnel. When you delete your debt, you aren't just getting your money back. You're getting your time back. Think about how much mental energy you spend every day worrying about those numbers. Think about the low-level stress that follows you into your sleep. When that debt is gone, your earning capacity explodes. You're no longer working for a bank executive. You're working for you. Mastery Secret 3. Freedom isn't the ability to buy whatever you want. Freedom is the ability to say no to anyone who wants to own your time. The war starts now. Look at your bank account. Look at your debt. The war starts today. Identify your surplus. Start the 72-hour sweep. Go into war mode for 90 days. It's time to start growing your own tree instead of watering the banks. I'm Billy. This is Money Mastery Secrets. Delete the debt. Reclaim your life.